This is going to be a video tutorial on how to enable dark mode on the TikTok app. I'll be using an iPhone SE for this, but the steps should be very similar on other devices. Let me jump over to my phone here. Okay, I've got my phone opened up now and I am on the TikTok app. To enable dark mode on TikTok, what you want to do is tap on your profile icon in the lower right hand corner. Then you will tap on the Bar Hamburger Menu in the upper right hand corner. Now you will tap on Settings and Privacy. Then from here you'll scroll down to where you see it says dark mode and tap on that. And then right here you can see it says dark. You want to tap on that. Now dark mode has been enabled on the TikTok app. That's how you enable dark mode on the TikTok app. Thanks for watching.